Hello, everybody. Welcome to Matt's Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. This week, I'll be sharing the recipe of the Orange Lemon Mojito Mocktail, which has all the flavors of summer. To begin, cut 2 lemons into slices, place them into a cocktail shaker or a pitcher. Add 8 to 10 mint leaves. Muddle them with a muddler. Add the juice of 1 lemon and half a teaspoon of salt. You can add sugar syrup if you prefer a sweeter version. Shake well. Fill the serving glass with ice cubes. Pour in the muddled lemons and mint. Add in the orange juice to half the level of the glass. Top it with chilled club soda. The orange lemon mojito is ready to serve. Garnish with a slice of lemon and serve chilled. For more such recipes, follow me at Matt's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.